Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you use the Opera browser and want better privacy, you might not want your browsing history, cookies or cached files to remain saved after you close the browser. Opera allows you to automatically clear browsing data every time you exit the browser. In this video, I will show you step by step how to enable this feature on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. First open Opera browser, then click on the menu icon in the top left corner. Select settings. Click on privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, under privacy and security section, click on delete browsing data. Now under browsing data, switch to on exit tab. Here you will find several tabs such as browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, cached image and files, passwords and other sign-in data, autofill form data, site settings, hosted app data. After checking the desired options you want to delete when Opera is closed, click on the save button. That's it. From now on, every time you close the Opera browser, it will automatically remove the selected browsing data from your computer. This is a simple and effective way to improve your privacy, especially if you share your PC with others or use a public computer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.